Hey guys, I am Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another pumpkin recipe for you, but this one is healthy. We are making healthy pumpkin breakfast cookies. That's right, cookies for breakfast. I don't know about you guys, but in my house, mornings are always a rush, no matter how prepared we think we are. Getting the kids up and dressed and then down and then fed and lunch is made. It's always a bit of a whirlwind. But guess what? You can make these pumpkin breakfast cookies ahead of time. They freeze beautifully and they make mornings much easier. They can be reheated for a quick and easy and nutritious breakfast, or I can send them off in the backpacks for a school snack. So these healthy pumpkin breakfast cookies are made with rolled oats, pumpkin puree, all of the pumpkin pie spices. They are naturally sweetened and they're made without eggs, so they're also vegan. And I'm going to show you how to make them nut-free as well. You end up with a fiber-packed, protein-packed cookie that is also nutritious. I can't wait to show you this recipe, mostly because I can't wait to eat one of these pumpkin breakfast cookies. So let's head to the kitchen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my family-friendly, nutritious, delicious, and naturally gluten-free recipes. Also, if you click that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Start with 3 cups of rolled oats, add fine sea salt, some ground cinnamon, ground ginger, we're adding my favorite pumpkin pie spices here, ground cloves, and a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. I'm also going to stir in some ground flax seeds, and this is going to provide some extra fiber as well as protein. Just stir these up, and then we can set this aside while we mix up our wet ingredients. I have pumpkin puree. I am using canned pumpkin here, but you could absolutely use fresh pumpkin if you happen to have it. And then nut butter. The nut butter is going to hold these cookies together in place of eggs. I am using a sunflower seed butter because my daughter's school is nut-free, so sunflower seed butter is a nut-free alternative. I'm sweetening these with maple syrup, adding a touch of melted coconut oil, or you could go for butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir this all together, and now you have the option of popping this in the microwave for a few minutes or heating it on the stovetop just until it is smooth and warmed through. I microwaved it because I'm lazy like that. Now we're going to add those wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then just stir this all up until it is evenly combined. And this is the cookie batter. So simple. We're going to dress this up with some dried cranberries and some dark chocolate chips. Now, these are both optional, but not in my house. The chocolate is mandatory. All right, the cookie dough is ready to go. We are just going to transfer it to a parchment-lined baking sheet. I like to use a big ice cream scoop for this. It makes it really easy. However, if you don't have one, you can just use 2 spoons. Using a damp hand, lightly press on each cookie just to flatten it out into an even round. These are ready for the oven. Bake these for about 25 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through until they are lightly golden on top. The cookies are ready and my kitchen smells like heaven. Let these cool slightly. You can serve them warm or you can let them cool completely. In fact, they taste even better the next day. Once they're cooled, you can refrigerate them or freeze them for a super simple grab and go breakfast. My kids think they're getting away with some real shenanigans when I tell them they can have cookies for breakfast. They also make for awesome school snacks. I like to pack them straight from the freezer into to-go bags. They will be defrosted by snack time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you like these healthy pumpkin breakfast cookies as much as we do. I'd love to hear your comments and questions below. You can also find a ton of other gluten-free recipes on my website. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.